There goes the train up the tracks. That was a scary drop. Exhibition Everest. Thank you. 25 minutes, like that. Another fast ride. Today, by the way, was a good to-go day. You didn't need reservations to come to any of the parks today, right?
Today, tomorrow, and Tuesday.
The next couple of days before 4th of July, you can come here without reservations. So. Then it'll get nuts, which we will be here on July 3rd and 4th.
Correct.
We'll be Magic Kingdom on the 3rd, and the 4th will be at Epcot. Man, I'm hoping like the thunderstorms, because it looks like the thunderstorms might start rolling towards the west coast, towards us.
Let's hope
so. Maybe it'll clear up, because like I'd hate to miss the fireworks show at night.
I know.
That'll be awesome. We'll see. So let's tell everybody the secret here. You can request front row. Thank you. What they do, they put you like in a wait zone over here, and then you get the front row. Much better video from the front row. Our chariot has arrived. Ready? Pull your lap bar down. There you go, we're ready. Put our invisibility glasses on. Here we go.
Why did we go on this track?
Oh boy, we're starting off tall.
Miley Cyrus.
Oh, what happened? There we go. Oh. Come on. There we go. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Oh, this is straight up. Skeleton. Hollywood Studios. The track is broken.
How do we get out of here? Make a phone call.
How do we get out? Anybody know how to get out of here?
Nope. How to get out?
Sounds kind of squeaky to me. Creaky.
I don't remember sitting up here this long.
I know. Is it broken?
At least a nice breeze would help. Come on.
Well, this is not a good sign. Say, where'd you break down? 200 feet up. Go backwards, please. Go backwards.
What fire? There's a fire alarm. Where? Right there. Oh, you right.
we made it. Hat. Can you reach your hat?
I really can't.
If you can't, don't worry about it. I just don't want to forget it.
Oh! Probably shouldn't have been standing while we're doing that.
That ride never disappoints.
No.
I don't remember being that steep. That big fall.
Yeah,
Yeah, the big fall must have just got bigger.
I feel like every time we try and we go back on ride, we say the same thing. I
Yep.
don't remember this. I don't remember that.
I don't remember anything.
I'm just getting old. I don't remember.
Oh, yeah, left, right?